Tawar.
To the people of the world, we the people of Aceh, West Papua and the South Moluccas gather here today before this magnificent building, the UN Human Rights Council, the city of Peace, Geneva, Switzerland. We gather here today to pay our solidarity and tribute to tens of thousands and possibly hundreds of thousands of our peoples who have died in the hands of the Indonesian military as the victims of gross violations of human rights. We are here today to call the international community, especially the UN, to immediately stop these ongoing violations of human rights, which have been perpetrated by Indonesia for over 60 years with impunity. We are here today to bring to your attention that Indonesia is the only colonial country on this planet condoned by the international community and the UN to rule over an area of continental Siu by killing hundreds of thousands of the indigenous peoples of Aceh, West Papua and South Moluccas. If the human rights perpetrators in other countries ended up in The Hague as war criminals, the Indonesian perpetrators have become potential candidates in this year's presidential election. Once again, we urge you to stop this aggression and support the right to self-determination of these peoples as the only way to end this continued panic by the regime. Thank you.
Bela! 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 Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!
Merdeka!
Merdeka! Merdeka!
Been perpetrated by Indonesians for over 60 years with impunity. We are here today to bring your attention that Indonesia is the only colonial country on this planet condemned by international community and the UN to rule over an area of an continental-sized Europe by killing hundreds of thousands of the indigenous people of West Papua, Aceh and South Moluccas. If the human rights perpetrators in other countries ended up today as war criminals, the Indonesian perpetrators have become potential candidates in this year for the presidential elections. Once again, we urge to stop this aggression and to support the right to self-determination of these people as the only way to end this continuing mistake by the regime. Thank you all for your attention.
Thank you.
Merdeka!
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 Thank you.
Maybe.
To the people of the world, we the peoples of the South Moluccas, West Papua and Aceh, gather here today before this magnificent building, the United Nations Human Rights Council, the City of Peace, Geneva, Switzerland. We gather here today to pay our solidarity and tributes to tens of thousands and possible hundreds of thousands of our peoples who have died in the hands of Indonesian military as the victims of gross violations of human rights. We are here today to call the international community especially the United Nations, to immediately stop these ongoing violations of human rights, which have been perpetrated by Indonesia for over 60 years with impunity. We are here today to bring to your attention that Indonesia is the only colonial country on this planet, condoned by the international community and the United Nations, to rule over an area of continental-sized Europe by killing hundreds of thousands of the indigenous peoples of Moluccas, West Papua, and Aceh. If the human rights perpetrators in other countries ended up in Den Haag as war criminals, the Indonesian perpetrators have become potential candidates in this year's presidential elections. Once again, we urge you to stop this aggression and support the right to self-determination of these peoples as the only way to end this continued madness by the regime. Thank you.
Mena!
Belia!
Mena!
Muria!
Mena!
Muria!